Good morning, students. Today we will do the format for newspaper report. Basically, newspaper report means that, as you know, we read a newspaper. There are certain reports that we read. Basically, why we read them? Just to get the information about something that has happened. As it gives a detailed information, that is why we always read the newspapers. As the report is totally covered in it, fully covered in it, how it happened, when it happened, what happened, where happened, and how. These all questions answers are always given in the newspaper reports. So while writing the newspaper, what we have to go through is, first of all, we have to give the heading. Heading means that the newspaper reports headline should be like that should catch the reader's attention. It should be that attractive. Secondly, you have to write the name of the reporter, the person who has created this report. Then the place, date, and the beginning of the report starts from here only. Place, the place where it happened, the report from where we have taken it, then the date on which it happened, then the beginning of report will be the first paragraph when it happened. All right. So the main point of the story is when. Next is the second paragraph, that is what, where, and how. Okay, what happened, where happened, and how it happened. Then the concluding paragraph, always you have to write the reaction of the witnesses. That can be in the direct speech also, that can be the dialogues also that they have said, or it may be a reported speech also. That means it can be an indirect one also. And always remember, you have to write in the past tense, because it reports only that event which has already taken place. So this is the format of newspaper report. First of all, the heading, then the name of reporter, then place, date, and beginning of the reports. That is the first paragraph in which you have tried when it happened. Then second paragraph, what, where, and how, and concluding paragraph, that is the reaction of the witnesses. That's all you have to write in the format of the newspaper report. Please go through it. Thank you.